Hi guys, this is Tuti Gogia. In case you are listening this voice for the very first time, you can go check out my social media handles. And this is season 3 of Stuti Speaks. And today I have a very special guest with me, whose name is Vidhi. So let me come to how I know Vidhi first. So I was going through. I mean I wanted to take a gift for one of my very close friends, and I saw this ad of manifestation box coming, and then I started looking on those ads, and I genuinely found that box very interesting. So I went to your profile, which is named as Girl Gone Mystic, and
Yes,
I
right.
started searching you. I mean, I
Okay.
it's not that I suddenly placed the order. मैंने पहले order place नहीं करा था.
हाँ हाँ.
I looked into your whole profile, and that's what
Hmm.
when I placed my order. And obviously, when that order came to friend and he shared with me, I
Hmm.
actually find it really interesting. So that's how I know you. And obviously,
Wow.
it was the same day I started following you. So it's been
Mm-hmm.
I sent that gift in, I think, November 2022, if I'm not
Okay.
wrong, or 2022. Yeah, last year only. And I think
Right.
I've
Okay.
known you since, I think, September of the
Oh,
same
wow.
year.
That's
So now
nice.
it's been
Long journey.
approximately 1 year ho jayega. I
Yes.
know you, like I've been following
Yes.
you. So over
Right.
to you, Vidhi, and give a bit of your intro. I mean, your
All right.
profile and everything. So yeah, we can take
Okay.
it from
Sure.
there. Yeah.
Sure. So, my name is Vidhi, and I started my journey. I think about it was during COVID time that I started my page, and the main reason why I started this was because spirituality has always been somewhere deep rooted into me, and I was always very intrigued, by uh, these crystals and like things which are not a part of this dimension.
Mhm.
So I thought COVID was the right time to start my journey because that was the period where everybody was going through a tough time. And I only started it as a passion. मेरे को पता नहीं था कि ये passion profession में convert हो जाएगा. It was just a passion. So people started loving my ideologies, my reels and everything. तो ऐसा करते करते फिर I started launching my range of products. So is beach I learned a lot of things. I did my yoga teachers training. I learned different levels of reiki. Then I did courses on chakra healing, chakra balancing and everything. At a very young age, about I think 3 or 4 years, I was blessed by a guru. Actually, he
Hmm.
was a disciple of the mother and Aurobindo from Pondicherry, and it was because of him that somewhere the seeds of spirituality were sown into me. At that age, he gave me mantra diksha, like he initiated me into mantra diksha. And अगर आप मुझसे पूछेंगे कि मेरा सबसे बड़ा साधना क्या है, it's just chanting that mantra that given to me by him. So
Okay.
that's how my journey began at that age. But उस time क्या था कि you are a child, आपको इतना कुछ idea है नहीं. But as in when I started growing up, after I got into a very serious phase, like I started facing depression, anxiety, and all that, I understood that spirituality is the only way because मैंने कुछ therapy नहीं लिया. I didn't do anything. I just started
Hmm.
my journey in yoga and meditation, and that really helped me heal myself.
Hmm.
Yeah. So.
Okay, I think there are many common things between us. I mean, there is my story is quite similar. In the
Wow.
COVID के बाद मुझे भी
हाँ
2021
जी.
में COVID हुआ था, not in 2020,
Oh.
and that's how
Okay.
my journey kick started of
Hmm.
meditation and then
Hmm.
yoga. And obviously मैंने try करा था. I tried therapy also. I tried all these
हाँ.
things for anxiety क्योंकि उस time मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा anxiety issues होने लगे थे. COVID से पहले, like in
Hmm.
2020. So yeah,
Hmm.
similar. Then I started like एक point पे ऐसे आ गया where I realized कि इसके बाद मतलब I don't see कि कुछ भी work कर रहा है. Then I started
हाँ
doing
जी.
meditation, and
Exactly.
उसके बाद I started healing as well.
Oh
Reiki भी मैंने
wow.
सीखा. I mean,
Wow. Wow.
mostly a similar story as yours. So
True. True.
what I mean,
Lovely.
एक point मतलब what was for me, it was like very
हाँ.
एक point आता है ना बहुत ज़्यादा down you feel के you feel
वही.
that there is nothing more to life about
हाँ.
it. That
हाँ.
was my
True.
point.
True.
So that happened with me approximately in May 2021. So what was
Oh.
that
Okay.
your what happened with
Okay.
you? Like what was your point of
Yeah, I'll tell you. So ऐसे बहुत points आए थे. life में. So during my college days, I was into modeling.
Oh wow.
So यहाँ पर actually what happens is South में they have a very different perspective towards models वगैरह. Like they
Hmm.
expect a model to be very fair and be a certain type, and मैं उस category में बिल्कुल fit नहीं करी थी.
Hmm.
Like उसके कारण there were a lot of rejections and criticisms that were made on my face, and I had nowhere to go because मेरे पास और कोई career option भी नहीं था.
Hmm.
एंड उसके कारण मेरे को बहुत लो फील होता था. एंड उसी टाइम आई गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू शिवानंद बाबा. ही
Hmm.
ही बेसिकली प्रैक्टिसेस शिव योग. फिर उन्होंने मेरे को ये कॉन्सेप्ट बताया था अबाउट स्पिरिचुअल जर्नलिंग. एंड सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग दैट हैपेंड अबाउट 10 to 12 years बैक.
Wow. Hmm. Hmm.
हाँ जी, तो उस टाइम से आई हैव बीन इनटू जर्नलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. तो जैसे ही आई had an encounter with him and I understood कि journaling से you can really start releasing a lot of your emotions and burdens, and you can really start manifesting things into your life. I just started following him blindly with no questions attached. Like जैसे एक बच्चा अपने गुरु को सरेंडर कर देता है, उसी तरह मैंने अपने आप को completely उन पर सरेंडर
Hmm.
कर दिया.
Hmm.
एंड उसके बाद आई अंडरस्टूड कि मॉडलिंग इज नॉट फॉर मी. मेरे को
Hmm.
बहुत डिप्रेशन एंजाइटी होता था उसके कारण, बिकॉज देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ रिजेक्शंस एंड
Hmm.
criticisms that were going there. वो दुनिया बहुत अलग थी.
Hmm.
And after that, when I took this journey, जब ये breaking point हुआ था,
Hmm.
तब से I understood कि हाँ, this is the right time to take it ahead.
Hmm. Hmm. वो actually sometimes that word is too much 3D. I think
हाँ,
so.
true,
बहुत ज्यादा
true.
materialistic और 3D हो जाता है. I don't,
Exactly.
मतलब मैं ये नहीं बोल रही that fame or materialism is not good. They are
Hmm.
equally good, but sometimes
Hmm.
the word around you feel
Yes.
that I'm trying to fit in but हो नहीं पा रहा because
Yes,
my core
exactly.
is my core is
Core is
not
something
this.
else.
Some
हाँ, true,
ऐसा नहीं है कि
true.
आपको फेम नहीं चाहिए. फेम you want, you are still
Fame,
having fame.
exactly,
हाँ,
exactly.
you are still having fames with your reels and with your stuff
Yeah,
and everything.
yeah, yeah.
That is not कि fame नहीं है. But the
Hmm.
point is वो too much of materialism with non purpose आ जाता है कई बार. I'm
हाँ
not
जी.
sure. Could be कुछ लोगों का purpose भी होता होगा. I'm not very
Hmm.
sure. But हाँ,
Hmm.
I can understand and relate to what you are
Yes,
saying.
yes, yes,
So
true.
that was so what point you decided? So what was the job that you were doing which you tell के मैंने फिर job छोड़ के completely I came into this?
So after I quit modeling, I tried a lot of other things. Like I was working with a magazine, then I got into styling.
Hmm.
फिर I was working in a school. मैंने ऐसे like 4-5 professions change किए होंगे मेरे, but कुछ भी नहीं बैठ रहा था because like whatever I was doing, it wasn't giving me satisfaction. मेरे को लग रहा था that this is not meant for me. This is not meant for me. And finally, ऐसा करते करते like बहुत साल बीत गए and I got married and everything. And फिर COVID hit हुआ and उसी टाइम मेरे को लगा कि let me just मैं सब कुछ छोड़ देती हूँ and let me just start my spiritual journey. Like let me start taking spirituality very very seriously.
Hmm.
फिर I started doing a lot of things. मैंने फिर सदगुरु के अंडर I did the inner engineering
It's
and
cool.
all of that. फिर उसके बाद I was jobless. मेरे पास actually कुछ काम नहीं था और मैंने बस ऐसे ही मेरा Instagram page start किया, like to just blog about spirituality. And फिर this is how I took this up. And yeah,
This is which year you are talking about when you started the page?
this was the year 2020.
2020 COVID में.
हाँ हाँ, COVID में,
So,
yes.
so yeah, you just told that you're married. So how much like I mean, I personally feel the partner you are with, or obviously
Hmm.
whatever souls are around you, they just help you grow. I mean, they are
Yes,
like you have
yes,
contracts, obviously not karmic. This must be a
yeah,
soulmate and more contract. I'm sure
हाँ,
because your husband must help you in grow to that
yes,
level.
yes.
So how was
Hmm.
that bond? How were those things coming? Like how was that?
Yeah, I
Hmm.
think it's been a very great journey because like both of us are spiritually very very inclined. तो हमारा
Okay.
जो base है, it's the same. Like
Hmm.
we think alike, and he definitely helps me grow spiritually a lot. He's
Hmm.
more of a believer in science and logic,
Hmm.
and I'm more into a little bit of magic here and there. So I
Yeah.
think the combination of science with magic is quite good. So
आई
yeah,
थिंक
but it's been good.
अल्टीमेटली एवरीथिंग इज सेम. वो क्वांटम फिजिक्स
Exactly.
बोल देते हैं, हम मैनिफेस्टेशन बोल देंगे.
Exactly.
वो
वही.
क्वांटम लीप बोल देंगे, हम चेंज ऑफ
Exactly.
टाइमलाइन बोल देंगे.
हाँ.
बहुत माइनर सा डिफरेंस है, बट
हाँ.
अल्टीमेटली इट बॉइल्स डाउन
Ultimately,
टू
it's the same
यूनिवर्स.
thing. हाँ
It's
जी.
the same
Yeah.
thing, and ultimately it boils down to one thing, which is universe and one power.
Yes.
Whatever we want to believe in, जो
Yes.
divine बोल रहे हैं, जो universe बोल रहे हैं.
Yes.
So yeah. So how many? How was the business thing? Like you started from reels, and then like I want to know the journey from reels to the manifestation box. And I know there are 3-4 courses you are currently loving. The
Yes.
one is
Yes.
self
Yes.
love course. I keep on seeing
Yes.
those very good feedbacks that you get, and there are
Yes.
many more
Yes.
things. So how was
Yeah.
that? Like obviously I know that there would be steps to it, क्योंकि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि रील से एकदम से you are like now
Yes.
into multi
True.
profit business.
That's
तो
true.
ऐसा
हाँ.
नहीं होता. Obviously 2020 से 2023, 3 years, it's been slow and steady journey. But
हम्म.
थोड़ा सा for the context of listeners, if they want to do something like that, तो क्या वो journey थी? How was that
Yes.
progress?
Sure. I'll tell you. So 2020 May, I did a course called Chakra Healing. Basically, it's about chakras in depth.
Yeah, yeah.
And this I did it from a mentor again of mine, who's very advanced practitioner in this. And while I was doing this course, I really felt myself being very healed. Like,
Oh wow.
it just changed me, it transformed me a lot. And I felt ki I should take this as a service. Like, I should start scanning and helping others heal as well, and let others also understand ki there are powers, and you do have self healing powers. You really don't have to go for any kind of therapy if you know how you can heal yourself. So I started doing services of this. Like, I started helping people understanding their chakras, like which chakra of yours is
Blocked.
yeah, is blocked, and how can you work upon it, what is the meditation that you can follow. So I started helping people with all these things, and I saw very good results. Like, people were really healing themselves, and they were really enjoying the process of affirmations, meditations, and yevo. So when I started this service, usi time I launched just one journal, that is the gratitude journal.
Okay.
So, and I don't know why, but that journal just clicked. Like, everybody instantly
Blue.
started, yeah,
Blew
yeah,
up. Yeah.
yeah. So
Hmm.
it did
Hmm.
really well. And that journal was basically just answering five simple questions every day. And these are the five questions that I usually think about before I go to bed. Like, I try reprogramming my mind before I sleep, thinking about these five things what I'm grateful for, and usi par based I made a journal, thinking that if I'm implying it on myself and if it's working out for me, let me just try helping others also agar kuch effect ho raha hai to. And that journal really did well. And uske baad I launched one more journal, which was the affirmation journal. Again, something that I've been using a lot on myself. Like, every day I write down my affirmations in the I am format. So again, I thought, ki, okay, if it's again I'm just doing something again, so let me just try implying this on others as well. So I launched the other one also, that's the affirmation journal. So the gratitude journal and the affirmation journal, they started working really well with people. Like, everybody started seeing a good amount of difference in ye wo sab. For after a few months, then I launched a journal for depression and anxiety, which is a journal based on affirmations. And usme you have a self healing course where you can scan the QR code, and you can see the different practices for self healing. So even that journal really helped people. तो ऐसा करते करते I understood कि ठीक है, it's working out. Like, people are seeing a difference, and let me just think of something else also which will kind of be a game changer. Then I came out with a journal called I Am Rich. So I Am
Hmm.
Rich is basically a journal which has a lot of powerful money affirmations. It has a lot of tasks like donate something today. ऐसे सब tasks है उसमें that will align you with the energies of money. So when you have a physical product in hand, आपको फिर ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ, मैंने
Easy.
पैसे देकर खरीदे हैं, तो
Hmm.
let me just try using it. So even the
Yeah.
I Am Rich journal, like, just yesterday somebody messaged me saying that the journal worked really well for him, and the person got 4,000 students in his seminar or something. So
Wow.
it was like, I think more than that, it's the belief. that
Believe.
it's working out for me. That's what
Hmm.
matters. And then
Hmm.
after that, I launched the manifestation box, which was last
Hmm.
year. So the
Okay.
manifestation box is basically my morning routine,
Hmm.
curated in a box.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was really amazing. I actually had a like I had we unboxed it like on a online. I did it with my friend, and it was really amazing. I mean, I totally loved it. It was having all this mixture. And one thing which you beautifully said is faith. Like अगर आपको believe
हाँ
है
जी.
तो वैसे भी होगा. और
Exactly.
secondly, what I feel is कि universe में everything is energy exchange, right?
Hmm.
You go to a person and you spend something on your it, like maybe money. Sometimes
हाँ.
if you go somebody, you put your effort, तो आप money या
हाँ.
effort दोगे तो आपको result तो मिलेगा ही. So if somebody
Exactly.
is putting effort, they are buying something and then putting some effort to do
Hmm.
something, and to obviously they are bound to get results. And
Hmm.
people don't understand the power of good energies. I
Exactly.
mean, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, आप पैसे देते हो, that's how you get cured
Hmm.
ना.
Yeah.
Similar with the healers, similar with any
Exactly.
astrologers,
Yeah.
numerology,
Yeah.
and everything
True.
like tarot reader. You are giving
True.
some money and they are giving you something, and if you are, there is
Hmm.
a combination happening, and that's how
Yes.
your problems are being solved.
Yes.
And
Exactly.
people are like, they, I think, sometimes underestimate the power of how beautifully things are working. And
Yeah.
they
That's
don't,
true.
I mean, sometimes ना थोड़ा सा money mindset भी नहीं होता that you,
हाँ जी.
हम Zomato पे तो खर्च लोगे, but why are you not
हाँ.
putting that money into a
हाँ.
journal or a yoga
Yes.
session or
Yeah.
something. The point
Very
is
true.
that,
Very true.
I mean, point is that these are the things which will make you internally grow. And I
Yeah.
think that mindset needs to be now in society, that if you are equally comfortable in spending on Zomato and Mintra, you should be equally comfortable on spending on your spiritual hygiene and routines.
Exactly.
So
Completely.
I
Completely.
I completely, and that's how, वो भी है ना कि वो भी बहुत है कि यार ये तो इतने पैसे लग रहे हैं ये. अब
Hmm.
मर्सिडीज, कोई किसी के पास मर्सिडीज वाली एनर्जी है, किसी के पास मारुति वाली. सो ऑब्वियस सी
Exactly.
बात है ना, दैट्स द डिफरेंस. आपको जो
Hmm.
ठीक लगे आप चले जाओ. सो
Hmm.
एनीवेज, ये थोड़ा सा डीप हो गया मे बी. कुछ लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा होगा मैं रैंट कर रही हूँ. मैं रैंट नहीं कर रही. These are the general things which I wanted
Not at
to.
all. On point. I think you
I
were
got
on
a
point.
companion to talk, because I'm a
Yeah.
healer too, so I get
I
used to like
know. I
this stuff.
know.
So
Exactly.
people say this
Exactly.
thing कि ये मतलब why are you charging and speech. It's
Yeah.
not about money, it's about the energy you give, and
Yeah.
nothing will
True.
happen. अगर आप भी लेके चले जाओगे तो आपका ही नुकसान होगा. You have to pay it
True.
somewhere else. जो
True.
being a healer, मैं नहीं चाहती that आपका loss हो.
Exactly.
Anyways, so coming back to your manifestation box. So वहां से जर्नी शुरू करते हैं. देन यू
हाँ
लॉन्च द
जी.
कोर्सेज मैनिफेस्टेशन बॉक्स के बाद यू स्टार्टेड लॉन्चिंग द सेल्फ
नहीं.
लव एंड द कोर्स, और उससे पहले ही लॉन्च कर दिया था.
तो कोर्सेज उसके पहले मैंने मेरे 2 कोर्सेज लॉन्च
हम्म.
किए थे. एक था 4 टेक्निक्स टू सेल्फ हील, वेयर आई
हम्म.
टीच डिफरेंट वेज हाउ यू कैन हील योर सेल्फ. और एक था स्पिरिचुअल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. अगेन दैट इज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू हाउ यू कैन heal yourself
Yeah.
while being connected to the 5 elements of nature. And यही तो मैंने लॉन्च किए थे. बट ऑफ लेट आई स्टार्टेड launching many other
Other
courses,
courses.
because I felt कि people are really enjoying it, like they are seeing transformations. So I thought, okay, let me just go ahead and share what I know and what are the things that helped me during my journey.
एंड ऑब्वियसली ना हर बंदे की डिफरेंट नीड होती है. लाइक देयर हैव अ स्किन केयर रूटीन फॉर आई मीन दो लोगों का स्किन केयर और हेयर केयर
हम्म.
मैच नहीं कर सकता. सिमिलरली दो लोगों का स्पिरिचुअल, आई मीन किसी
हाँ
को
हाँ
कुछ चाहिए,
बिल्कुल.
किसी को कुछ चाहिए. सो
Exactly.
दैट्स द होल पॉइंट कि यू आर ऑफरिंग एज मेनी एज, जिसको जो
Yes.
सूट करे आप वो ले
Exactly.
लो.
जिसको जो
द-
सूट करे. Yeah.
हाँ,
Yeah.
एज पर
Exactly.
योर लाइक आपको जो भी आपकी
Exactly.
ग्रोथ
Yeah.
है उसके
So
अकॉर्डिंग.
so recently, like I had launched a course on spirituality and professionalism, which is for corporate people, like people who are office
वाओ.
goers, जिनको time नहीं मिलता है to incorporate spiritual practices, how they can incorporate simple things while being at the desk.
Wow.
So yeah.
I'll try to attend that. Let me
Yeah,
let me
definitely.
let me
Sure, sure,
surely
sure.
try to.
I would love to have
I'm that's
you.
in my your courses are anyways in my to do. I'm just finding out time to get
Wow,
that.
that's so nice of you.
So all बताओ, what are your plans further or anything like अभी
Hmm.
as such कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा, but anything you want to tell as per your spiritual experience. What मतलब मैं जैसे generally बता रही हूँ, one crux which I got from all of the spiritual things
Hmm.
is your intention matters. अगर आप पानी पी रहे हो और
very
आपने उसमें
true.
कुछ भी इंटेंशन
Yes,
डाल दी, तो आपको मिलेगा उसका रिजल्ट.
very
और
true,
अगर आप
very true.
सिमिलरली फॉर बैड एनर्जी, अगर आप किसी के लिए बुरा थॉट जरा सा भी ला रहे हो, सो यू कैन क्लियर इट राइट अवे. और बीइंग ह्यूमन ऐसा तो है, लेकिन है नहीं कि नहीं आएगा, बट ऑब्वियसली अगर आ रहा है तो आप क्लियर कर सकते हो, रेदर देन गिविंग इट मोर एनर्जी कि नहीं, फिर दैट विल कॉज अ चेन ऑफ थॉट्स. So what this was my learning, like everything from chakra, crystal, or whatever I did till date, like all the courses, meditation. So ये मेरी एक बहुत बड़ी learning थी. Share your few of learnings, like what you want
Sure,
to
I'll
share.
tell you. I think it's very important for you to be honest when you
True.
are in this field. You have to be very honest with yourself and with others around you. At the same time, you need to take a lot of actions. Like people do talk about manifesting ye wo, but manifestations will only happen if you start taking the right action. So I think the two things that I learned is being honest and taking actions. Yeah, I think that's really important.
Karam karna is equally important.
Exactly,
And as
exactly.
Gita says,
Manji.
karam karan fal ki इच्छा ना कर. Because
हाँ,
I feel
true.
manifestation तो लोग करते हैं, but they get themselves too much attached with the outcome,
हाँ,
and that
वही.
too in a certain way कि मतलब ऐसे
Yeah,
ही चाहिए तो ऐसे ही चाहिए.
exactly,
और
exactly.
वो
And
manifestation का point ही नहीं है.
yeah, and people like they think कि बस लिखने से हो जाएगा. You even have to like get up and even work. So
Work
it's like everything
consistently.
together.
True.
Exactly.
And वो भी मुझे लगता है कि people underestimate the power of consistency. Same thing
Yes.
each day, every day for years. See the
Yeah, yeah.
result.
Very
Like
true.
atomic habits भी I think वही बोलता
Atomic
है.
habits. Yes.
Compounding.
Yes.
Compounding is the power.
Yes.
लोगों को चाहिए 30 दिन में करूं और मेरे को ही हो जाए. वो नहीं होएगा. Like 7 days में weight loss, 8 दिन में
Exactly.
miracle manifest, कभी भी नहीं होगा.
That's
और
very
जो
funny.
मुझे लग रहा है जो लोग आपको ऐसे बोल रहे हैं ना, वो आपको पागल बना रहे हैं. मतलब इम्पॉसिबल है. एवरीथिंग इज
Yeah.
कंसिस्टेंसी. आई
True.
मीन कुछ रूटीन्स ऐसे होता है. आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग फ्रॉम इयर्स नाउ, एंड आई नो हाउ मच दे हैव गिवन
Like
मी, लाइक द
what?
कंपाउंडिंग.
Like what do you do?
like सुबह उठते ही हनुमान चालीसा is something I do from
Wow.
years now, like years.
Okay.
And the amount of mental strength it has given me is amazing.
I
And
know. Yeah.
doing following a CTM routine for like night cleansing, it's I'm doing from 10, 12, 13 years now. Like when
Wow.
I'm 38 and I started in 27, so it's like over the compounding year it has given me a lot of, like,
Nice.
I mean, if I mean age
Nice.
perspective se bhi, and many more things. Like these are just 2 3 example. Like brushing your teeth at night, bahut zyada basic hai. People will say ki theek hai,
Exactly.
it's not, but it's been like 13 15 years now I never skip that at night. So I mean, these are very small routines, but I think they help. And
Yeah,
there
I
are
think
many.
that's what
Yeah,
makes you. Yes. Yes.
there are many more to that anyways. So coming back to you, they बहुत ज़्यादा discussion वाला हो रहा है, but I'm totally loving it. So what are your plans, like upcoming plans? If you have, though spirituality is all about living in present and we know that, but to a perspective or a general perspective, like 1 year goal, 5 year goal, what are you looking forward in your life
Okay.
to?
Okay. I haven't actually, honestly speaking, मैंने कुछ सोचा ही नहीं है. I
You
have
are
no
truly
plans.
spiritual, because that's what I said. मुझे शुरू में ही पता चल गया था कि
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ आएगा, क्योंकि मुझसे भी कोई बोलेगा ना, I will like, let me
हाँ.
same thing each day every day,
Seriously.
and whatever उसके बाद जो calling आ जाएगी, जो download आ जाएगा, I'll act upon it. But
Yeah.
अभी के लिए कोई plan नहीं है. But
कुछ
yeah,
भी
फिर भी
नहीं है.
still overall you are like maybe
फिर
more
भी.
courses,
Okay, in
more
that
products.
way, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely, definitely. So I want to keep launching more and more courses based on everyday struggles. I just really want to help people and just make them understand the power of spirituality and the power of self healing. I think we are superhumans and we can seriously heal ourselves wonderfully. So,
That's so true. मेरे को लगता है आप थोड़ा सा ये aspect भी लोगों को बता दो, which I always want to. Maybe you are the better person to explain that. That abundance is a byproduct of spirituality. I mean, I mean, वो भी थोड़ा underestimated है, because we concentrate on money. And actual में what is money basically, वो point ही नहीं है. Point is abundance, क्योंकि वो money तो सिर्फ finance आएगा ना, abundance में
हाँ
wealth
जी,
आएगी, relationship
exactly,
भी आएंगे, और money तो
exactly,
आएगा ही आएगा.
exactly.
So people underestimate abundance, मतलब basically. So, and I think people who focus on spirituality, abundance is a byproduct. So I
Exactly.
think maybe you can explain it thoda sa, because
Yeah.
your manifestation box was very
Yeah.
much about that.
Yeah, so I'll tell you what happens. I think once you start spiritually, basically spirituality hai kya? It's a way of life. It's a way of living. That is what it
Hmm.
is. It's got nothing to do with religion, ye wo sab. ये सब कुछ नहीं है इसमें. How are you living your life? How aware are you at the moment? That is what spirituality is all about. So once you start focusing more on your lifestyle by taking care of your health, by taking care of your mind, by taking care of your sleep, by aligning your energies through yogic kriyas and practices, तो automatically आपके energies align हो जाते हैं universe के frequencies से, and automatically abundance starts flowing in because mentally you are sane. अभी
True.
आप mentally एकदम relax हो चुके हो. Your mind has become completely empty. You've become like an empty vessel. So good things start coming into you. Plus, you start reprogramming your DNA. You start reprogramming your cells. You start reprogramming your memory. That is your karma, and you
True.
have new karmas building in, which are all the more conscious. So yeah, I think spirituality is a byproduct of abundance, but don't expect anything out of it. Just do it
Right.
without any kind of attachment.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I think what you wanted, but I mean, this is anyways a byproduct of spirituality, and वो है
Exactly.
वो अपने आप होता
अच्छा तो
रहेगा.
होगा ही for sure.
हाँ
Yes.
हाँ, बिकॉज वो है ना, डीएनए ही आपका हील हो जाएगा जब आपका डीएनए,
Exactly. हाँ जी.
जब
Yeah.
आपका डीएनए हील हो जाएगा, देन एवरीथिंग इज गॉन. एंड टेल मी थोड़ा सा अबाउट योर, बिकॉज आई सी योर फूड स्टोरीज एंड दोज आर
हाँ जी.
सुपर सुपर टेम्पटिंग.
Yeah.
आई लव सीइंग योर, स्पेशली
हाँ.
इतनी एस्थेटिकली ब्यूटीफुल होती है ना,
Yeah.
तो वो वैसे इतनी टेम्पटिंग हो जाती है. बट
Yeah.
आई ऑल्सो लव द सात्विक काइंड ऑफ फूड. सो
हाँ जी.
you have changed your completely the food routine as
Not
well, or it was.
completely.
Hmm.
No, it's not completely changed.
Hmm.
घर पर जब मैं रहती हूँ, it's very normal and basic food like what you see on my stories.
Hmm.
But when we go out,
Hmm.
there are days I indulge in pizzas, pastas. तो ऐसा कुछ fixed rule नहीं है. But it's just that it's not very often. It's more like once a month or something. Huh?
Once a month or maybe once in 50. I mean,
Yeah.
whenever you are out
Whenever I
of.
feel like,
Hmm.
true.
But not like, yeah. So I think like we have covered many of the points, but yeah, anything you want to share, like as your core experiences or about your journey till date, कुछ भी ऐसा you want to share? क्योंकि ऐसा question नहीं आ रहा मेरे mind में कुछ, but yeah,
Sure.
I want to still ask about any of your precious experiences.
Sure. So I think my most precious experience was with my guru. As I told you, he was a disciple of Aurobindo and the mother. His name is Sri Beni Madhavji.
Hmm.
I was very young, but I still remember that
Hmm.
scene. I mean, I was only 4 or 5 years old, and मेरे को उस era का कुछ भी याद नहीं है. But that scene I remember really well when he
Hmm.
whispered that Guru mantra in my ears.
Hmm.
So the experiences what I've had with him during my growing up years, like उनके जो सत्संग होते थे, and when we used to go for it, he was a
Hmm.
very modern guru. Like I'm talking about something during the 90s. So for
Okay.
that time, he was a very open-minded man. Like he didn't care about chums, ye, wo, somebody's eating non-veg, he's a
Hmm.
veg.
Hmm.
Like a very humble man with a very open perspective, and I think that really inspired me about him. So the
Hmm.
moments what I've had with him, sitting with him in his room, I think that was a beautiful experience. Then one experience what I had was during my inner engineering. I think that was again a beautiful journey because बहुत कुछ transformations लगे थे उस time during that practice.
So you
And
went to Isha Yoga for inner engineering, like you
no,
stayed there?
I didn't go to Isha. मैंने चेन्नई से ही किया था.
अच्छा,
माइलापुर चेन्नई में उनका एक कोर्स हुआ
एक और
था. तो
सेट. Okay,
हाँ जी.
okay, okay, okay.
So I did it there. Yeah, yeah. And there was one more experience what I had with Rusbe Barucha. He's
Hmm.
basically a channel of Sai Baba, and he's written the
Wow,
book Fakir. So
wow,
he does channeling through Sai Baba. He does automatic writing and he does it for
wow,
free. Like he doesn't even charge anything, but
wow.
he won't do it for everybody. Like वो
Hmm.
पहले देखेंगे कि कुछ इशू है क्या, कि ये फालतू में खाली टाइम पास कर रहा है मेरे साथ,
Hmm.
like he'll really try to understand, और
Hmm.
अगर उनका मन किया तो he'll do that channeling. So I got a chance finally to get a channeling done by him, and that
Wow.
was a beautiful experience. Yeah.
Wow. And where is he? Like, where can we find
Yeah,
him?
so he stays in Lonavala, and
Wow.
you
Wow.
have to personally go and meet him now to get a
Hmm.
channeling done if you want. Yeah, but I know he's healed a lot of people. Like he's very very powerful because he has a direct connect with Sai Baba.
Obviously,
So
source.
yeah,
The more you're closer to source, the more you are a
yeah, true,
great
true.
healer. So that's great. So yeah, मतलब बहुत ही amazing experience था talking to you. Towards the
Same
end,
here,
we have
same here.
reached. So any last notes for the listener? Any motivation? Any inspiration? Anything you want to tell to the listeners?
Um, Nothing as such. I just want to say that just be aware. Like let that be your sadhana for life. Just that being aware. That's it.
दैट्स लाइक बहुत छोटा है और बहुत डीप है बहुत ज्यादा बिकॉज बीइंग अवेयर ही आजकल में सबसे डिफिकल्ट है इन द मीडिया इन द
It's
सोशल
very
मीडिया
difficult.
या सब
Seriously.
कुछ इतना सब कुछ साथ में चल रहा होता है ना
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
तो
True.
या दैट्स द पॉइंट
True.
बट ठीक है
Okay.
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you,
विधि फॉर
Stuti.
गिविंग मी योर टाइम
Thank
एंड
you.
थैंक
I
यू सो
loved your
मच
energy. I must say that your energy is very strong. Your presence is very powerful. It's felt.
coming this from you is like a big compliment, so I'll take that. Thank you so
Thank you,
much. And
Sana.
same is
Thank
like
you.
your vibes. I can sense the vibes, so it was great.
Thank you,
So thank
Stuti.
you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, listeners, for listening to us. On that note, stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay grateful. I'll see you another one. Bye.